Hi, so the topic for today is everything is changeable. Every thought, every feeling, and how we are experiencing things around us, we can change that feeling. And you probably heard other inspirational speakers or coaches talk about that. And when I first heard that, I kind of intellectually got that, yes, it's possible, but I'm in a bad place right now. I can't just change it. And while that's partially true, both ways, that we can change anything and also that it's really hard to change things, once I understood about using energetic clearings, that gave me another way to actually start to change things. So I'm not going to really go into energetic clearings now, but I'll put a link to a video below that I really go into detail about what energetic clearings are and how to use them. But the thing is just to notice that when something's not going right, when we're having a thought, feeling, or emotion that we really don't want to be feeling, we can ask for that to change. And we can't necessarily change like from feeling sad to instantly feeling happy. Well, I mean, actually that's possible, but it often doesn't work that way. But what we can do is lighten up a thought, a feeling, or emotion, or make something work better for us. And one of the ways we can do that is through energetic clearings. So if you're having a feeling or an emotion that's really strong up in your world right now, you can remove some of that by going, okay, so all this emotion that's not to my authentic advantage in this moment, I choose to remove and destroy all that. Vaporize, liquefy, vaporize, liquefy, vaporize, liquefy. And how I look at that is it's often just lightening up. It's taking the edge off of something, which allows us to make have more choices in how we're interacting with that. And the same thing with an experience we might be having. If it's not going the way we would want it to go, we can ask something like, anything preventing this experience from turning out better or for working better for me in this moment, I choose to remove and destroy all that. Vaporize, liquefy, vaporize, liquefy, vaporize, liquefy. And even just that little bit can lighten up experiences enough so it makes it easier to be who we are in that moment. So I'm Max Riggs, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below, let me know what you liked about this or how I can improve it in the future, and I look forward to chatting with you again soon. Bye for now.